Here's how to change the background on PowerPoint slides. Open a project in PowerPoint. Click the slide you want to customize. Click Design. Click Format Background. Create a solid background. To make the background a single color, choose Solid Fill. Select a color from the palette. Fill your background with a colored gradient. Select one of the preset gradients from the menu or design your own. Use the Gradient Stop slider to adjust where each color begins and ends. Make the background an image or texture. Choose one of the preset textures from the list, or if you prefer, click File to select the location of your custom image. You can move the transparency slider to adjust how opaque the image or texture will appear. Fill the background with a preset pattern. Modify the colors in these patterns with the foreground and background menus beneath the pattern palette. Apply the changes. If you don't like any of the background options, click the Reset Background button to return to the previous background. If you want every slide in your presentation to have the new background, click Apply to All. If you only want the new background to appear on the current slide, click Close to save the changes. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.